Cross-border data flows are the lifeblood of fintech. Whether it's instant payments, AI-driven credit checks, or detecting fraud in real time, fintech services depend on seamless movement of personal data across borders. Without this agility, the whole sector risks losing its edge. But here's the catch: international data transfers are more regulated and riskier than ever before. Thanks to the EU's GDPR and the landmark Schrems II ruling, sending personal data outside the European Economic Area is only allowed if the destination country offers what regulators call an essentially equivalent level of protection. If you're in fintech, that means every cross-border transfer is now a compliance project. So how do we legally move data from the EU to, say, the US or Asia? There are a few options. First, adequacy decisions, like the new EU-US Data Privacy Framework, allow transfers to countries the EU trusts. Next, standard contractual clauses, or SCCs, are flexible templates that companies can use. But since 2021, you also need to carry out a transfer impact assessment, a TIA, and sometimes add extra safeguards. For big multinational groups, there's binding corporate rules. They're gold standard, but they're expensive and time-consuming to set up. Transfer impact assessments are now non-negotiable. You have to look at both the law and real-world practices in the receiving country. That means checking out surveillance laws, government access, and enforcement. Technical safeguards are crucial. Think strong encryption, pseudonymization, and strict access controls to keep data safe, even if threats exist beyond your control. Fintechs face unique compliance headaches because infrastructures are modular and decentralized, with a heavy reliance on third parties. Data often flows through multiple cloud providers and vendors, sometimes without full visibility. Startups suffer most, balancing rapid growth with limited compliance budgets and grappling with rival privacy laws, like strict data localization in Asia versus US cloud-first mandates. So, what's the best way forward? Start with robust data mapping. Know exactly where your data goes at every step. Vet your vendors and sub-processors thoroughly. Communicate transparently with users about how their data is handled and give them control where possible. Build privacy into your products from day one using privacy engineering principles. Looking ahead, the world of international data transfers is only getting messier. Countries like Brazil, India, and Kenya are rolling out their own rules, fragmenting the landscape. The good news: new tech like confidential computing, federated learning, and automated compliance platforms offer hope for safer, more efficient cross-border flows. If you're in fintech, the old tick-the-box approach to compliance just isn't enough. Proactive governance, cutting-edge technical safeguards, and above all, building user trust. That's the winning playbook for long-term success in our global, data-driven economy.